2025 home decor. Vibrant color mixes and fresh ideas for furniture, kitchens, and entryways. Step into 2025 with a home that radiates warmth, personality, and charm. This year's decor trends embrace bold color combinations, transforming every corner of your living space into a stylish and inviting retreat. Whether you're refreshing your focal decor with vibrant accent pieces, or experimenting with colorful furniture, the right hues can dramatically elevate your home's ambience. The palette for 2025 is all about making a statement while maintaining a sense of balance and harmony. Picture cozy neutral backdrops accented with pops of jewel tones, or the elegant contrast of navy paired with gold. These combinations create a dynamic yet composed environment, ensuring your space feels both lively and serene. The kitchen and entryway, often considered the heartbeats of a home, set the tone for every interaction and impression. As guests walk in, let them be welcomed by spaces that reflect sophisticated charm. This year, look to incorporate textured accents to achieve a perfect blend of luxury and comfort. Imagine rustic wooden shelves that add warmth and character, or sleek marble countertops that exude elegance. These elements can be paired with bold cabinet colors to establish a vibrant yet harmonious atmosphere. In the entryway, consider making a bold first impression with an eye-catching statement rug. Complement it with stylish console tables, which serve both functional and aesthetic purposes, and add modern lighting fixtures that illuminate the space while adding a touch of contemporary flair. Thoughtfully curated elements like seasonal greenery lend freshness and vitality, while artful wall decor and bespoke furniture pieces provide a unique, timeless appeal. These are not mere accessories, they are integral components that breathe life into your home, transforming it into a narrative of style and comfort. The decor trends of 2025 are centered around infusing creativity, warmth, and individuality into every aspect of your living space. Whether you are drawn to the clean lines and simplicity of minimalist modern interiors, or favor the depth and richness of rustic modern designs, this year's trends offer an exquisite balance of comfort and sophistication. Allow your home to become a canvas that tells a story through artistic decor pieces, layered textures, and dynamic color palettes, each element a reflection of your personality and taste. Let this be the year you draw inspiration from these trends to create not just a house, but a home that feels uplifting, inviting, and uniquely yours. With these innovative ideas, 2025 promises to be a year of transformative design, where each room articulates your aspirations and lifestyle, making every day a delightful experience in your personalized sanctuary.